is our box. You can see here is our app. We can scan the QR code and download the app. This is our mini body camera. This is our menu. This is the clip. This is our USB cable. This is the video button. This is the camera button. When we press the video button and hold on 3 seconds, it will turn on and start recording. This is the camera button. When we press and hold on 3 seconds, it will turn on our device Wi-Fi. This is the SD card slots. This is the charging port. One. This is our app. We can click Start Connecting. It will show the connect successfully. We can show the live stream function of the camera.